Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Rim Scuff Repair Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner looking to maintain the pristine appearance of their vehicle's wheels, as minor scuffs and scratches can quickly detract from the overall aesthetic, leading to costly professional repairs or a diminished resale value if left unaddressed. This kit offers a DIY solution, empowering you to tackle these common cosmetic issues right at home, saving you time and money while restoring that showroom shine to your rims. Number 5. 3D1 Scratch and Swirl Remover, True Paint Correction. Introducing the ultimate solution for your car's paint. This advanced hybrid formula works as both a cutting compound and a finishing polish. It effectively removes swirls, scratches, and oxidation in just one simple step. Experience real paint correction like never before. Achieve flawless clarity and a mirror-like gloss with this powerful product. Its innovative zero-dust formula guarantees a clean finish on any paint color. Whether you prefer hand application or using a DA polisher, this product adapts to your needs. It's perfect for restoring daily drivers, classic cars, and show cars alike. You'll see and feel the difference immediately. Developed with decades of expertise, this is a professional-grade product proudly made in the USA. It's trusted by professionals worldwide for high-performance results. Achieve shop-quality finishes right from your own garage. Simplify your detailing routine and say goodbye to complicated multi-step systems. This one-step solution saves you time and money. Get professional-level shine and lasting protection all in one bottle. What we like. This product offers a revolutionary one-step solution for paint correction. It combines cutting and polishing in a single application, saving you significant time and effort. If you're looking for professional-level results with minimal hassle, this is the ideal choice for restoring your car's paint. What people say. It took all of my very light scratches and swirl marks out of my car. I would highly recommend this product for removal of light scratches and swirls. Works fantastic bringing old paint back to life. Easy to use, does what it claims, no issues when using with foam pad, no burning through paint and no working out swirl marks. Brought nice shine to 52-year-old paint. This worked so very well to remove the swirling and minor scratches on my 22-year-old black paint. The old paint looked so much better, the swirls were nearly entirely gone, the minor scratches disappeared and the moderate scratches looked better. Number 4. Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew. Tired of minor scratches and swirls ruining your car's look? Our advanced formula is designed to tackle these imperfections with ease, restoring your vehicle's shine. Unlike temporary fixes, this polish contains protective resins that bond to your clear coat. This ensures the repair lasts, resisting rain and washes. Our gentle yet effective polishing agents work on all glossy paint colors and even clear plastics. It safely levels imperfections for a flawless finish without damage. You don't need to be a professional to get amazing results. Apply it by hand with a microfiber towel or use a machine polisher for an even deeper shine. Erase years of wear and tear in just minutes, right at home. This cost-effective solution saves you both time and money compared to professional detailing. From light scratches and swirls to headlight oxidation and water spots, this product renews your car's overall appearance, making it look like new again. What we like. Experience car scratch repair that truly lasts with this innovative formula. It's infused with protective resins that bond to your clear coat, ensuring the repair won't wash away. If you desire a durable fix for light scratches, swirls, and oxidation that stands up to the elements, this product offers excellent value. What people say. The application process was incredibly straightforward. I followed the instructions, and within minutes, I started to see a noticeable difference. The formula is easy to apply, and it spread smoothly over the scratched areas. After buffing it out, the scratches faded significantly, and in some spots, they were virtually invisible. It removes all light scratches from your car. This is amazing for polishing your car. I haven't seen a better shine on either of my cars. This stuff is super easy to use. Apply. This product will only remove the very slightest smudges scratches. It will however make any scratch or swirl mark look significantly better. As long as it's not down to the paint, or completely through the clear coat. It's simply not possible. Number 3. COCOMFIX Gloss Black Rim Touch-Up Paint Pen. Instantly restore the mirror shine of your black wheels. This product quickly repairs curb rash, scratches, and scuffs, easily hiding any damage with strong coverage. It seamlessly blends with your original gloss black paint, leaving no color difference. It also adds a mirror-like shine, keeping your wheels looking sleek and uniform. Enjoy a long-lasting finish thanks to its excellent adhesion and waterproof formula. It bonds firmly to the wheels, resisting peeling, fading, heat, and corrosion. The unique 2-in-1 applicator allows for precise repairs. Use the fine pen tip for tiny chips and the brush head for larger areas. Simply clean, shake, and apply for an effortless restoration. Restore your glossy black wheel finish effortlessly. This kit is designed for easy application and quick drying, bringing your wheels back to their former glory. We offer a peace of mind purchase experience with dedicated customer service. If you're not satisfied, we'll make it right. What we like. Instantly bring back the mirror shine to your black wheels with this specialized touch-up paint. It seamlessly matches original gloss black finishes and provides a durable, waterproof repair for curb rash and scratches. If your glossy black alloy wheels have suffered damage and you want a precise, long-lasting cosmetic fix, this pen is your go-to solution. What people say. The gloss black worked very well. I used the brush end of the paint pen. Make sure you shake the pen for the recommended 2 minutes. I applied 2 coats on about 3 inches of rim edge damage. The next day, I literally had to put my glasses on and get within a foot to see where the paint repair was done. Make sure to sand the area and clean with the alcohol prep pad. Good match for touching up my matte black winter rims. Easy to apply with the applicator. Good value. Covered well. Use the black glossy version on the black wheels of my 2022 Ford Explorer Street and it definitely passes the 5-foot test, and would be even better if I had taken the time to sand down the ridges from the curb rash. Number 2. SMAPHY Gloss Black Wheel Scratch Repair Kit. Tired of unsightly scratches and curb rash on your alloy or steel wheels? Our all-in-one kit is specially designed to instantly restore the original gloss black appearance of your wheels right at home. Refresh your rims with our simple 3-step process. You don't need to visit an auto repair shop, saving you significant time and money. Our kit features the latest anti-scratch finish and a unique replaceable tip. It seamlessly blends with your original wheel paint for a flawless repair. Everything you need is included: a touch-up pen, sanding block, masking tape, cleaning wipes, gloves, and instructions. Practice on scrap material to achieve your desired effect. This repair kit works on over 99% of black wheels. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated service team is ready to assist you wholeheartedly. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed for effortless DIY wheel repair at home. It includes everything you need to quickly fix scratches and curb rash, restoring your black wheels to their original gloss. If you're seeking a convenient and complete solution to refresh your rims without a trip to the auto shop, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Great quality and great color match. They even provide 2 extra pen tips for future applications. It was super easy and you cannot tell there is curb rash on my rim. I also used it to touch up a few other small paint chip spots on my rims. The color matches pretty well on my bright silver wheels. It helps to cover the ridges of the gouges. Overall, the wheels definitely look about 85% better after the application. Number 1. DipYourCar HyperDip Wheel Paint Kit, Shadow Black. Introducing a revolutionary peelable paint designed to outperform and outlast. It adds a protective, OEM-style color to your wheels, giving them a stronger coating and a slicker finish. Achieve an awesome new look for your rims with this simple, all-inclusive set. It provides everything you need to transform your wheels, ensuring a professional finish. This product does more than just look good, it guards your car's surfaces against damage. It forms a shield against harsh weather and road hazards, protecting your rims effectively. Enjoy the freedom to change your car's style whenever you like with this peelable, removable coating. It allows you to refresh your vehicle's look with different colors as often as you desire. With over a decade of experience, we bring you professional-grade peelable paints in the best OEM-style colors. Get the most advanced, highest-performing paint for your vehicle. What we like. Transform your wheels with this world-class peelable paint kit. It provides a durable, protective coating that can be easily removed and replaced, allowing you to change your car's style whenever you desire. If you love experimenting with different looks for your rims and want a high-quality, customizable, and protective finish, this kit offers endless possibilities. What people say. Finish is great, nice and smooth, and much better looking than PlastiDip. The look is wonderful. I found the experience easy. Wheels coated perfectly and looked great. My original impression was much better than PlastiDip, and the finished product was much more durable than PlastiDip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.